Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. ln to the power of b equals to b ln. So if we look carefully about s square, s is about a, b that's about number 2. So we need to transform this one. So because we have the power 2 in here, number 2 with the power 2, you got about number 4. So they should be like this. Two with the power 2 in here, we have number 4. And then I will put number 4 go outside in here. Now we can use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to ln s to the power of 2. If we do first derivative for the both sides, we have 2 ln s over s, and we have the s dv. We have s squared ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s to the power of 3 over 3. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have number 4 in here. So we keep about number 4. So we have u multiplied by v. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So we have number 2 over 3. S to the power of 3 divided by s, you got about s squared. And we have ln s ds. Now we continue use integration by parts for this one. Now this one we have ln s. First derivative of this one, we have the s over s. This one is about s squared, so we have s to the power of 3 over 3. So for this one, we have u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so we have 1 over 3. And we have the integration. This one divided by this one, we have s squared ds. The integration of this one, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. And then we put about c in here. That is about the constant. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.